So over here you can see that I have an emoji right here, and let's just go around and animate this. So I'm just going to go around over here, keep this on the left side, and then add in keyframe to scale, onto position, and to rotation as well. So I'm just going to go around right here and bring this over here on the right hand side, and then go around and increase out the scale right here, and then let's say rotate this out as well. So you can see that I have the keyframe in scale, position, and rotation right here, just like this. So this is what you have. But if I were to see the animation, you can see that it goes from left to right here, and then it is like stuck in place. That is what happens is that it abruptly starts and gets stuck at the end, as you can see right here. So what you can also do is you can add in some acceleration and deceleration to this animation by using animation graphs as well. So to do that, I need to right click over here and show the keyframe animations, and this is what you have, as you can see. So what I can do is I can go around onto, let's say for example, the X and Y animation, or whatever I want the acceleration and deceleration in, and show the keyframe animation right here. I can expand this out right here, and over here you can see the keyframe graph right here, which is linear right now. But if I were to go around and set it to auto curve, then what happens is that slowly accelerates, as you can see right here. In the y-axis, it'll accelerate. Let's just go around and add in the same thing over here onto X as well. So let's just go around onto X and then add in, let's say, a linear right here, and it slowly accelerates, as you can see right here, instead of abruptly going around and starting right here. But at the end you can see that it is stuck. So now you can go around and add in some curve right here, and you can also pull these out, as you can see. But let me just go around and then add in some curves onto all of them. So curve on this one and curve on this one right here, just like this. And then I'm going to go around over here and expand this out as well. Select these out and then go around onto curves over here as well. So let's just go around, curve this out as well. And let's just go around and add in curve over here in scale as well, just like this, and over here as well. So this is what you have, as you can see, and this is what you have, as you can see, and this is what you have, as you can see, you got curves in all of them. So press the play button, and that is what you have, as you can see. It accelerates from left to right here, just like that. You can also go around and change around the curve intensity by pulling this out right here, just like this, and make it more intense. So there's more acceleration and deceleration right here. I'm just going to go around and pull this out over here as well, and pull this out, and now you can see that this is what you have. What you can also do is you can go around and then turn this curve something like this as well. So you can go around and then go around over here and use this curve right here, just like this. So you can pull it out right here, down or up right here. So you can make it a bit up, just like this. So you can see that it actually goes around a bit over here on the right and seems as if it is bouncing right here. So that is what you have, as you can see. Let me just go around, add in another keyframe right here, just like this. And then you can adjust it out even further. So let's just go around, add in another keyframe right here, and then click on this, and that is how you can go around and adjust out the curves over here. So this is what you have, as you can see, as a result, and this is what you can utilize to make smooth animations inside of CapCut desktop editor. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.